In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel subscription on Adobe Acrobat. If you started a free trial or subscribed to a plan and you're ready to stop it, I'll walk you through the exact path in Adobe's interface, plus a few tips so there are no surprises. We'll begin on the Acrobat website and finish at the confirmation screen where your plan is canceled. Start by going to the Acrobat website in your browser and signing in to your Adobe account. Make sure you're using the same account that holds the trial or subscription. If you're already signed in, you should land on the Acrobat or Adobe homepage. A stable internet connection helps these pages load properly. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the page. That's where Adobe keeps the account controls. You should see your profile photo or a circle with your initials. Click your profile to open the account menu. This small menu gives quick access to settings and billing. The wording can vary slightly by region, but the option you want is easy to spot. Choose Manage My Account. Adobe may open your account page in a new browser tab. If you're asked to re-enter your password or approve a sign-in, go ahead. This is normal when accessing billing. Wait for the account page to fully load so you can see all plan details. On the account page, locate your current plan and select Manage Plan. If you have more than one plan, make sure you're opening the Acrobat plan. Here you'll see the plan name, billing cycle, next charge date, and payment method. Take a second to note the next renewal date. That determines when charges stop and when access ends. Now select Cancel your free trial. If you're not on a trial, the button may say Cancel Plan. It opens the same cancellation flow. Adobe will guide you through a few screens. You may be asked to choose a reason, and you might see offers to switch plans or receive a discount. If you want to proceed, continue past those offers until you reach the final confirmation. Before confirming, read any terms shown on screen. Free trials usually must be canceled before the trial end date to avoid being charged. For paid annual plans, Adobe may display an early cancellation fee. Review that carefully so you know what to expect. After you confirm, you'll see a notice that your plan is canceled and Adobe will send a confirmation email. Save it for your records. A few final tips. If you store files in the cloud, download anything you need before your access changes. You can always resubscribe later if you change your mind, and if you don't see the cancellation option, it may mean the subscription was purchased through a mobile app store or managed by an organization. That's it. Your Adobe Acrobat subscription is canceled.